Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Roblox Studio installed, API services enabled, and a play session ready. Once those are in place, open the console using the View menu or press Alt plus F9. This gives you immediate access to logs and commands. Make sure the command bar is visible alongside the console so you can run Lua snippets. Doing this early saves time when you test. Now, enter a simple print, "Hello," in the command bar to verify the execution path. Once the console is open, inspect runtime messages. Output shows prints, warn highlights warnings, and error lists stack traces. Filter by script or severity to reduce noise, and pause on warnings to examine state. This prevents cascading failures. You can execute live Lua through the command bar, wrap actions with pcall to catch errors, and avoid halting the session. Make sure to print object properties to inspect values. Doing so clarifies why behavior differs from expectations. To finish, gather evidence, dump tables or use table. Concat for complex structures, then save the console log for review. Reproduce the problem in Play Solo and isolate the culprit script by adding targeted debug prints or breakpoints. Repeating the exact steps helps you pinpoint timing issues. If things go wrong, clear filters, restart the play session, and rerun the failing commands. This often reveals transient state problems. Remember, logging and isolation speed up fixes. Keep iterations small and focused.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.